is that video that I promised to make you guys on the 7.2 worksheet, the very last problem, number 34. I was struggling with in class, and I did get a chance to work through it and figure out how to do this one. So in class, I tried to turn everything into terms of sine and cosine, and that was not getting me anywhere. So what I did is actually revisited the problem and tried turning everything into terms of tangent, and that I was able to find out a way to do. So we're going to work with this cotangent of x plus y, and the first thing we're going to do is rewrite this as 1 over tangent of x plus y. All right, so then with this tangent of x plus y, we can use the sum formula for that. So we're going to be using this formula here. So I'm going to put this as 1 over, and then we're going to replace tangent of x plus y with this formula. Tangent x plus tangent y all over 1 minus tangent x times tangent y. All right, so then we're actually going to do this. We're going to do keep, switch, flip. Well, if you keep 1 the same and then flip this, 1 times the reciprocal of this is just going to turn this into 1 minus tangent x times tangent y over tangent x plus tangent y. All right, so 1 over a fraction actually just gives you the reciprocal of that fraction. All right, so from here, now I'm going to go back and turn all of these into cotangents, because I see that's where I'm trying to get, is everything with cotangents. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to change this right here into 1 minus 1 over cotangent x times 1 over cotangent y, all over, we're going to do the same thing down here, 1 over cotangent x plus 1 over cotangent y. All right, so now we're going to get some common denominators so that we can turn the numerator into a single fraction and the denominator into a single fraction. So right away, what I'm actually going to do is turn this 1 into cotangent y times cotangent x, and then cotangent y times cotangent x. That's the same thing as 1, and then notice I would have the same denominator. Down below here, we're going to multiply both of these by cotangent y, and both of these by cotangent x. So I'm just getting a bunch of common denominators here. So here's what that mess is going to turn into. In the numerator, we are going to have a common denominator of cotangent x, cotangent y, and then in the numerator, we'll have cotangent y times cotangent x, that's coming from this fraction, minus 1 times 1, so this is just minus 1. All right, in the denominator, we have, again, a common denominator there of cotangent y, cotangent x. And then in the numerator, we have cotangent y times 1 plus 1 times cotangent x. So we'll just end up with cotangent y plus cotangent x. And now finally, since we have a single fraction in the numerator and a single fraction in the denominator, we can do our keep, switch, flip. So cotangent y times cotangent x minus 1 over cotangent x times cotangent y times the reciprocal of the denominator. So cotangent y times cotangent x over cotangent y plus cotangent x. So finally, we get this cotangent x times cotangent y to cancel out this. And I'm kind of out of room, so here we'll do this. when we write our final answer, we end up with just this in our numerator, cotangent y, cotangent x, minus 1, over the denominator, which is cotangent y plus cotangent x. And notice that that is the same thing that we have here, just a couple things flip-flop. So I'm going to flip-flop the cotangent x and the cotangent y in the numerator. And then I'm going to flip-flop these two expressions added in the denominator. All right, so that is how you do number 34 there. I apologize again for not being able to get that taken care of in class, but hopefully that helps. All right, you guys have a great rest of your day, and we will see you next time.